Hamas commander Mahmoud al-Mabhouh was found murdered in his hotel room on the 20th of January. The Dubai authorities released 6 fresh names in conjunction with the killing on Wednesday. The Dubai police chief has no doubt that Mossad was involved.
الآن الكف أرجح، يعني حينما يكون مثلا يقال أنه والله 7 مثلا حملت جوازات يعتقد أنها مثلا بريطانية، هم ذهبوا إلى إسرائيل والآن موجودين في إسرائيل. يعني ما أعتقد أن هذه مثلا جماعة السلام الآن مثلا في إسرائيل اللي عملوا العملية، أكيد بيكون هذا هو يعني الجناح.
The assassins used fake European and Australian passport numbers to get through security checks. Britain and the EU are not pleased.
This was an action which cannot be conducive to peace and stability in the Middle East. The EU strongly condemns the fact that those involved in this action have used fraudulent EU member states' passports and credit cards acquired through the theft of EU citizens' identities. The EU welcomes the investigation by the Dubai authorities and calls on all countries to cooperate with it.
And it's not just the Europeans who have taken serious offence.
But I made it crystal clear to the ambassador that if the results of that conclusion, if the results of that investigation cause us to come to the conclusion that the abuse of Australian passports was in any way sponsored or condoned by Israeli officials, then Australia would not regard that as the act of a friend.
Israeli officials, however, have denied the claims and have even suggested that those suspecting Mossad's involvement should improve their movie selection.
I think that you saw too many movies about James Bond, and I prefer you to see more movies.
There is no absolute consensus about Mossad's involvement in the attack. However, this is not the first time the Israeli agency has been accused of using fake passports. In 1997, 2 Israeli agents were caught in Jordan using fake Canadian passports and fled to the Israeli embassy in Amman. In 2004, in New Zealand, 2 Israelis were arrested by police who trailed them as they went to pick up fake passports. New Zealand suspended high-level contacts with the Jewish state after the incident. Unum Muneer, DawnNews.